God. Second Carolina Wren on Spencer Hollow Road. Okay, this is the Cooper's hawk in his regular place on Spencer Hollow Road. Blue jays just gave the alarm. There was a really nervous blue jay right here. And then the Cooper's hawk is right over here. Cooper's hawk just went in this bush. Flew right past my head. And there he is. Oh! Yikes, he went on the line. There's a pair of Carolina Wrens on Crown Point Road. The song sparrow on Spencer Hollow Road. This is Carolina Wren number 7. We're on River Road.
I'm still not seeing it. No, I'm not. But when it moves, I'll.
We just saw it.
Did you?
We saw it similar. It's a black dot.
Just north of the intersection with River Road on Route 5. There's one gadwall. It's the Red-bellied Woodpecker along the Ferry Road in Wethersfield Bow.